In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Composite Momentum Index Indicator in TradingView Pro quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to adjust basic settings so the indicator is ready for your own trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, move your cursor to the top of the chart area and look for the Indicators button. It usually sits along the top toolbar and may be labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the main Indicators window where you can search through all available tools. Inside that window, you'll see a search bar near the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click once inside the search bar so your cursor is active there. Now carefully type in Composite Momentum Index. Make sure the spelling is correct so TradingView can pull up the right result. As you type, you should see the Composite Momentum Index appear in the drop-down list of indicators below the search bar. When you see the Composite Momentum Index in the list, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually in a separate pane below your price candles. At this point, the indicator is active, but it's still using the default settings. To customize it, move your mouse over the Composite Momentum Index area on your chart. You'll see a small toolbar appear, including an icon that looks like a gear. That gear icon is your Settings button. Click on it to open the Settings panel for the indicator. In the settings, you can adjust inputs like lengths or smoothing values, and you can also change how the lines and colors appear under the Style tab. If you're new to this indicator, it's usually a good idea to start with the default values and only make small, deliberate changes as you gain experience. You can always reset to default if something doesn't look right. Finally, if you haven't already upgraded to TradingView Pro and you want access to more indicators on a single chart or additional features, you can use the sign-up link I've provided in the video description. That link takes you directly to TradingView's site, where you can choose the plan that best fits your needs. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added the Composite Momentum Index to your TradingView